I am Dr. Basaraj, Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering, St. Peter Engineering College, Hyderabad. In this lecture, I am going to explain about gateway and the comparison between switches and routers. See, gateway is a network device used to connect two or more dissimilar networks. We studied router also. Router is also used to connect two or more networks, but similar type, same protocols. But here, gateway is used to connect two or more of LAN of different protocols. The each LAN is going to use of different protocols. Network that use different protocols are dissimilar networks. See, meaning of dissimilar is nothing but the each network is going to be used of not same protocols. A gateway usually is a computer with multiple NIC connected to different networks. Gateway is also like a computer, is having multiple NIC connected network interface. Cards will be there to connect more than one networks. A gateway can also be configured completely using software, that has been configured by using a software. As networks connect to different networks through a gateways, these gateways are usually hosts or endpoints of the network. Gateway uses packet switching technique to transmit data from one network to another. Router can transmit data only over networks that use same protocols. As I said, the main difference between gateway and router. Routers can transmit data only over networks that use same protocols, but gateways can be used to transmit the data over networks of different protocols. Functions of a switch versus router. Let us see the functions of switch. It is also called a network switch because it is used to connect the LAN network. A network switch connects devices together on a single computer network. A switch is also called a switching hub, bridging hub, or MAC bridge. The different names. Switches use MAC addresses to forward to the correct destination. Here, switches are going to be use MAC address. Is nothing but physical address to transfer the data from one device to another device. A switch is considered a layer 2 device, means it is going to be used in a data link layer of OSI model. So it is operated the data link layer. Switches use packet switching to receive, process and forward data. See here, the switches are going to be used data in the form of packets. You know, the data is divided into small segments, that is called the packets. Each packet is having source and destination address and also sequence number. The source and destination address is having this MAC address. A network switch is a small hardware device that joins multiple computers together within one local area network. Switches are incapable of joining multiple networks or sharing an internet connection. Just by using switch, we cannot connect to the internet. Okay, switch is a LAN device. Is going to be correct more than one device within a LAN. Internet is not just LAN, it is a WAN. Then coming to the router, router is a more sophisticated device than a switch because the router is used to connect more than one LAN. It is a WAN device. It is used in layer 3 of the OSI model. Traditional routers are designed to join multiple area networks, as a LAN, WAN. Router serves as an intermediate destination for network traffic. They receive TCP/IP packets, look inside each packet to identify the source and target IP addresses. Here router is going to use the IP address, then forward these packets as needed to ensure that data reaches its final destination without any error. In addition, routers are often perform network address translation, which allows all devices on the subnet to share the same public IP address. So it is going to translate the network address. Most of the domain address will be of in the form name, but we need actually to send a data to any destination device, we need IP address. Practically it is required IP address, but sometimes it is difficult to understand the IP address. We are going to give the domain name that will be translated into IP address. That function will be done by router. You may see that google.com, www.google.com. So it is not an IP address. If you go for that website, its IP address can able to see that. Okay. So that is one of the function of the router. Then finally, routers that include built-in firewalls to improve the network security. The routers have the firewall security. Then coming to the comparison between router and switch. See here, the layer 3 device of router and layer 2 device of switch. In a OSI reference model, router will be used in layer 3, switch will be in layer 2. The function of the router is directs data in network, passes data between home computers and between computers and the modem. Switch is allows to multiple devices to be connected in a LAN network. Data transmission in the form of packets in case of router. In case of switch, it is in the form of frames. Okay, and ports, we have different ports, 2 ports, 4 ports, 5 ports, 8 ports in case of router. In case of switch, we have more number of ports, 24, 48, because in switch we are going to connect more than one devices. So number of devices will be more in a LAN, so obviously the number of ports will be more. In case of router, it is few number of ports will be there. Device type, router is a networking device and switch is a active device. And transmission type, an initial level broadcast, then unicast and multicast in case of router. And here also switch, first it is broadcast, then unicast and multicast. The both have same type of transmission type. And used in LAN, MAN, WAN, where we are going to use LAN, MAN, WAN, we are going to use the router in all the networks, but the switch we are going to use only in LAN. The router will store IP address in routing table and maintain address its own. Switches use content accessible memory CAM table, which uses typically accessible by ASIC. Transmission mode is full duplex in case of router. In switch, half and also full duplex. Broadcast domain, in router every port has its own broadcast domain. Switch has one broadcast domain, so not all ports have broadcast domain. So as definition, a router is a networking device that connects a local network to other local network. At the distribution layer of the network, routers direct traffic and perform other functions critical to efficient network operation. A network switch is a computer networking device that is used to connect many devices together on a computer network. A switch is considered more advanced than a hub because switch will send message to device that needs or request it, not broadcast every time. Then speed 1 to 100 Mbps in wireless in router, 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps in wired. In case of switch, it may be 10 Mbps or 100 Mbps, even till 1 Gbps it is going to support. Then router, necessary for internet connection? No, but provides additional security, allows multiple connections. So switch is not required any necessary for the internet connection. Address used for data transmission uses IP address in case of router. So in switch we are going to use the MAC address or physical address. Connections, router can connect to multiple PCs or networking devices via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. in case of switch, can connect to multiple PCs or networking devices via different cables, category 5, category 5E, like different cables we are going to use to connect one device to other device. Device category, intelligent device, both are intelligent, of course. Router is intelligent and switch is also intelligent. Security, provide security measures to protect network in case of router. Switch, port security is only port security, not network security. So router used to connect 2 or more networks. Switch is used to connect 2 or more nodes in the same LAN network. Manufacturers of routers are Cisco, Netgear, Linksys, Asus, TP-Link, D-Link. Switches, Cisco and D-Link, Juniper. Then router bandwidth sharing is dynamic in case of routing. Switch, there is no sharing, port can be speed here, speed is fixed, no dynamic sharing. Routing decision takes faster routing decisions in case of router, take more time and complicated routing decision in case of switch. Routes can perform network address translation, that is, as I said, your domain name can be converted into IP address, that can be done in by router, and switch cannot perform that network address translation. In different network environment, in router can be used faster than the switch. Switch can be used in layer 3, that is another switch type. Features, firewall, VPN, dynamic handling of bandwidth. Here priority range, on or off setting of port, VLAN. Examples, Linksys, examples of routers, Linksys, WRT 54GL, Juniper, MX and EX series, Cisco 3900, 2900, 1900. These are the examples of routers. And switches are Alcatel's Omni switch 9000, Cisco Catalyst switch 4500 and 6500. Okay, and for further you can refer these links for the study. Thank you.